Lifetime vision care practices to protect your sight. Daily routine your eyes have been waiting for because your eyeballs are tired carrying the whole team alone. Screen eye fatigue is real, and our eyes are the one who struggle the most. It's a 24/7 glow radiation from our phones, tablets, laptops, even our fridges. If your vision is blurred after screens, you are not alone. Google Trends says eye strain from screen searches have skyrocketed. Static fixation at the screen is the worst. Tiny eye muscles cannot handle it. They were designed by nature for different purposes, to look far, near, accommodate properly. At least we need to look away and do it automatically as a habit to avoid eye problems. Get outside, walk around, look around. Remember the benefits of sunlight. It turns out it's not just good for your mood and hormone levels, it's also eye fuel. Optometrists call it outdoor eye relief. But for your eyes to survive, they need to rest outside of the walls. Case in point, there is a study that says kids who spend more time outside are less likely to develop myopia. Proper sleep, the vision reset button we love to ignore. Do you know how your phone works better after a reboot? Same with your eyes. Sleep is your built-in eye detox. But after midnight TikTok scrolling and just one more episode, sleep is not enough. You need to relax your eyes. If you fall asleep with eyes focus on a close distance and do not relax them, you will reduce recovery by 50%. At what state you fall asleep, at the same state your eyes will be the whole night. Learn eye relaxation before sleep with meditation and try to avoid mobile phones at least 1 hour before bed. Science says that poor sleep quality slows tear production and can lead to chronic eye dryness. So if your eyes feel like they're rolling in the sand every morning, it's not the weather, it's your sleep routine broken. Eye relaxation, because meditation isn't just for your brain. Have you ever tried meditating for your eyes? Relaxation. It's called eye relaxation and it's specifically work best before nap or nighttime sleep. I tried it working well. At least 3 months of daily practice and you will learn to do it in a minute. Just lay down, turn on meditation for eye relaxation and fall asleep, as simple as that. Your eyes, lifetime members of you. If you worry, I did exercises for a week and it didn't work, while screen time on your phone was showing red and exceed every limit. Start by managing your screen time, for example, 1 minute using your phone and 1 minute eye relaxation, just to recover vision loss. All those skills are required as a habit. We treat our eyes like third-class citizens. Our eyes working full-time, without a day off, no benefits and zero eye care. Healthy vision isn't about one quick fix. It's lifestyle, a luxurious, blink-filled, well-lit, work-friendly lifestyle. Do you want to keep seeing clearly into your 80s? Start today with a walk, a blink, a nap, or just looking away from the screens around. Your eyes cannot talk, but they would like a day off. If your eyes could talk, they probably say, please stop doom scrolling in the dark. We are not night vision goggles. Check out the free eye training course, a link below, or other premium option like Eyesight Academy.